Shirt untacking is one of the most common and most frustrating style problems men face on a daily basis, especially when you're constantly moving, sitting, or just trying to look sharp all day. But what if I told you that there is a right way to tack your shirt, and once you learn it, your style will instantly go up a notch? So in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 expert approved ways to tack in your shirt so it stays in place, whether you're at work, whether you're going on a date, or dancing at your best friend's wedding. And trust me, if you stay till the end, I'll show you one method that even most fashion guys don't know about. Let's dive in. Number 1. The first method is the basic tack, and this is why it is not enough. If I ask you to tack your shirt now, this is probably what you're going to do. You'll just lose the button or hook and eye of your trousers, pull your zipper down, and put your shirt into your trousers or pants and pull your pants up. Easy, right? Who doesn't know how to tack a shirt? The problem with this method, however, is that it never lasts. It might look clean and spot on at 9 a.m. but by noon, it has popped out, wrinkled, and you're constantly fixing it. This is why we move on to smarter solutions. Tack 2, the military tack. This one is a game changer, and here is how to do it. Put on your shirt and pants or trousers. Now, before you button your trousers, grab the excess fabric on each side. Fold it neatly towards the back to create a slim line. Hold it there and then zip and button up. This tack gives you a clean, sharp silhouette as though you've got a tailor working overtime behind the scenes. It is called the military tack because it was designed to keep soldiers looking sharp in uniform. And if it worked for the army, it will definitely work for your office or date night. Tack number 3, the underwear hack. Yes, seriously, the underwear hack. This one sounds odd, but it works. This is how it is done. Wear tighter undershirts or compression shirts and tuck them into your underwear. That's step 1. Then tuck your shirt into your pants or trousers over that. Now, this is what happens. This layered tack creates friction, which holds everything in place much longer than your basic tack. And it also has a bonus to it in that it helps with your sweat control. Now, before we continue, a lot of men struggle when it comes to putting outfits together or dressing and appearing well. If you're one of those men, there are only 5 basics you need to know, 5 fundamentals to help you dress better. If you're interested, I have a link in the description below. Just click on it and you'll receive that for free. Let's move on. Tack number 4 is the hidden hero, which is using your shirt stays. This is a little advanced, so let's see how to do this. Think of your shirt stays as suspenders, but this time they are not for your pants or your trousers. Rather, they are for your shirt and socks. Now, this is how you go about this. You clip one end to your shirt hem and then the other to your socks or thigh band. This is the master because it keeps your shirt pulled down all day so your shirt remains tight. You can walk, jump, dance, and your shirt won't move an inch. It will not budge. So you'd want to get these shirt stays. This kind of tack may feel a bit military at first, but once you try it, you may never want to go back to the basic tack again. And now the 5th tack I want to talk about in this video is the French tack. This is more modern and casual, and it's more of a stylish look than a formal look. So this is not for formality. So how do we do the French tack? The French tack is when you tuck in just the front of your shirt and leave the back loose untucked. It's perfect for your casual settings like a brunch, hanging out with your friends, and even some casual Fridays. It's effortless, yes, but yet it is intentional. Now to the bonus tip I want to give you before I leave. And this is something that even style influencers sometimes skip. Your shirt needs to be tuckable, and how do you make sure that it is? You do this by choosing the right shirt length and fabric. If your shirt is too short, it won't stay tucked. Let me take that again. If your shirt is too short, it won't stay tucked. Also, if it is too long, it bunches up and balloons out. Right? Moreover, if your fabric is too thick, it adds bulk and wrinkles. So always look for dress shirts with a longer tail and lightweight fabrics. Those kind of shirts are designed for tucking. Remember that awkward moment when your shirt kept untucking during your big presentation or date? Well, now you have that covered, because with these things you've learned, I'm sure that it's not going to happen again. So, which of these tucks, aside the basic tuck, are you looking to try next? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped you in any way or taught you anything new, then give us a thumbs up and subscribe to make sure that other men also find this video. We are building a community of men who want to show up sharp, confident, and intentional. And remember, when your shirt is right, every other thing feels right. Catch you in this next video right here. Thanks for watching.